What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Dogecoin, guys. If you're getting value, smash that like button, subscribe. There is a reversal pattern at play here. So currently we're sitting at 33 cents. We're down about 4.2% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 43.74 billion, and then 24-hour volume is 6.88 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and receive $25 for free in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're gonna start here on the 1 hour. So we had our bull pennant here and we had a bit of a fake out where we broke out and then we came right down, and I dropped in that level of support. I said if we do see some sell-off, guys, there's a high chance that we find support at 30 cents, and you can see that's exactly where we came down, where this red wick came down to, and we bounced off about 30 cents. And you can see here we have a little inverse head and shoulders. This is a reversal pattern, guys. We have our left shoulder, we have our head, we have our right shoulder. So if we come up and we break this neckline here at about 33,722, if you see us break above it and back to as support, your target is 37 cents for Dogecoin, which is an appreciation here of about almost 10%. So that could be a little juicy trade opportunity. We're here on the hourly chart. We broke the 20 EMA and we beautifully bounced off the 55. So Doge continues to show immense strength here. As you can see here, every time we broke the 20 EMA, we came down, we found support on the 55. Right here again, we broke the 55 a little bit, we came right back up. If we pop over to the 4-hour time frame, you can see how beautifully we've been holding the 20 EMA. Doge is just looking so strong in my opinion, and looks healthy for continuation. Look at this huge spike in volume, guys, since we started this uptrend. Look at this immense spike here in volume. Massive volume has come back into Dogecoin. So I wanted to pop Doge open on the daily. I'm going to quickly take this out here. So we can see we are quite overextended, guys. So if we were to lose that 30-cent level of support, you can target the 0.382 on the Fibonacci, which is at 28 cents. You see all the support in this area, resistance, and it's the 0.382. So do keep an eye on that. If we were to break 30 cents, that would be your next level of support. So do keep an eye on this inverse head and shoulders. If you break the neckline, could be a nice little trade opportunity here. Let's look at the RSI on the 4-hour and on the daily. So we can see the RSI has come back down into a healthy range here on the 4-hour. Let's quickly look at the daily chart. So we were a little bit overextended and we had bounced off that level, about 80 on the RSI. We did have some corrections off this level on the RSI. We had one right here, correction here as well, and we had a correction back here as well. So Doge is still looking extremely strong. In my opinion, the bulls are consolidating and holding the price. So we have those future price targets here. From our pattern breakout, that would bring us up to 37 cents. We have the 0.618, the golden ratio, up at 40 cents. And I'll give you guys your future price targets for this bull run here. For Dogecoin, up at $1.13, and the 1.618 extension here, which is all the way up at about $1.92. And from the current price, that's a juicy gain of basically almost 500% for Dogecoin. So do keep an eye on those patterns on the hourly. That inverse head and shoulders here, if you see us start to break our neckline, your target is 37 cents. And if we do roll over, I do think 30 cents could be a strong level of support. And then we have that level here about 28 cents, which is the 0.382. And we had a lot of support in that area. So that's it for Doge. You can see we're just beautifully holding the EMAs, even on the hourly chart, which is just a massive signal of strength, in my opinion. If you got any value, smash that like button. I am trading Doge on Bybit, so make sure to sign up through my link to receive up to $1,600 in bonuses. Follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.